Today's daily LeetCode problem of the day is 3 consecutive odds, number 1550. For this problem, we are given an integer array ARR, and we simply want to return true if there are 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array, and otherwise we're going to return false. So all we're going to do is traverse the array ARR and compare the 3 numbers that are consecutive. So we could do 4 int I is equal to, and we're going to set I to 2 as traversing an array. The first index is 0, then 1, then 2. So we're going to start at 2, so that way we can traverse to the very end of ARR if necessary, while checking the 2 previous values. So I is equal to 2, as long as I is less than ARR.length, I plus plus. So what we're going to do is if ARR of I percent 2 is not equal to 0, what happened here? Then that passes our check. So then we could do and ARR basically the exact same thing, except ARR of I minus 1. And then basically the exact same thing again, except ARR of I minus 2. And if all 3 of those conditions are met, we return true. And if we break the loop, then we return false. This should be I minus 2. This passes our test cases, and it passes all solutions. Now for Python, it should be the exact same thing. So we'll traverse ARR, so 4 I in ARR if, actually what we'll do is I in range of length of ARR if ARR of I percent 2 is not equal to 0, and then we'll copy this, paste, and paste. I minus 2, and then I minus 1, return true, otherwise return false. In Python, actually, there's probably a single line solution. Maybe. But this passes our test cases, and ooh, it doesn't pass our solution. Let's see. Index outer range. Oh, it's because I think, ooh. That passes that test case, but what I'm thinking could be wrong is in this case, we are not starting with i's equal to 3. So what we can do is change these to plus and do length of ARR minus 3. That way we only traverse till before we exit the index. So let's try and submit this. Expected to true, so let's try minus 2. And this should pass all of our solutions, which it does. So thank you, and follow for more daily LeetCode solutions.